What's going on, everybody? So today marks mine and Chris's 4th annual mid-October ride, and usually we deal with cold weather, but today we are dealing with wind, rain, 50-degree temps, which we all know will feel like 30-degree by the time we get going. I'm leaving southeastern Minnesota to Albert Lea. He's on his way from just over the border of South Dakota to meet in Albert Lea. So I'm about to head out. This will probably be one of the dumber decisions that we've made. But we're hoping that the radar is kind of showing patchy as time goes on, and we're heading south, so it should be clear down there. So we just have to get through this initial crappy part, which will not be fun. But it's very windy out there. I don't even know if video honestly does it justice. The rain was coming down so hard it sounded like hail on the house at one point, but the rain is lightening up a little bit. So I'm just gonna bundle up, put the full face on, and rock on down the interstate. Probably not gonna get much video of riding to Albert Lea. There ain't much to video anyways, just straight down the interstate, but everything's on my phone, and I don't want my phone sitting out getting soaked if it doesn't have to, even though it, the water doesn't really bother it much. But either way, I don't need it to be out. So yeah, I'll just probably talk to you next stop. But yeah, follow along, all that fun stuff, and we will keep you tuned. Made it to Albert Lea. Actually, it wasn't too bad. I didn't have much of any rain at all, and I had so many layers on that I was actually getting kind of warm. Shout out to these guys for Outcast Culture for their nice jacket. Anyways, get some gas, get going. Chris, how was your ride here?
Oh, fuck. Drenched. I create puddles everywhere I go.
Yeah, let's check out this puddle here. It looks like he pissed all over the floor. That's just from all the water he gathered his whole year. I got lucky. No rain. Anyways, we'll see
I need
there.
pants.
What's that?
I need pants.
I need pants. You can say you're glad it's not 30 degrees like a couple other years.
Exactly.
You never know what kind of weather you're gonna get in the middle of October in southeastern Minnesota and South Dakota and all that fun stuff.
Oh yeah.
But we're gonna get rolling.
Probably 9.
No, it said 8. It said 8 man on
no
the
shit.
sign. Yeah. Where is this? Blairsburg,
Iowa.
Blairsburg, Iowa. 8-man football sign. You know you're in a small town. I don't even think they got a bar and grill here. It's all good though. Cool. I wish that my phone was working better when it had the raindrops on it. I could have got some video of those cool small towns we were rolling through.
Oh god, yeah. That'd be awesome.
I need to get a Bluetooth or not a Bluetooth, a GoPro or an Insta360, man.
Yep.
I couldn't even get my phone to charge because it kept saying water detected. I know. But yeah, I could have got some cool, is that dog just chilling right over there? Yeah. Chilling. And there's somebody watching us too. They're probably like, who are these two morons talking on their phone?
Where they at?
Anyway, they're right over there in that house. Right over there. Anyways, we're gonna roll on down. We found a cool sports bar and grill over in, what did I say, Webster City?
Yeah.
Something like that. 8 miles away, so we're gonna go over there, head it out, show you what it's all about. Weather is becoming actually pretty nice. It's pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
Sprinkles here and there, but not too bad. Yep. Anyways. Webster City. Where's the sign? Thought there was a sign. Am I missing the sign? Oh, there's the sign. Gridiron Sports Bar and Grill. Boom. This is my favorite part of going on these rides, especially taking the back roads, the 2 lanes, you know, instead of the interstate, is get to see all these little towns and cool old towns. And I'm from a small town, and so it's just fun to see all that stuff and then stop at these little places like this. Looks like a house turned into a bar, which I've seen many times, but it looks cool. Chris is making friends.
What day are we?
Friday. What's the special? Daily buffet, prime rib starts at 5 p.m.
Oh, we're at 5 p.m. Sorry.
Well, we got daily buffet if we want it, though. Yeah, that looks good right there. Give you a review.
Oh, it's phenomenal food. Fucking perfect ass burger. You had a big ass sirloin.
Or no, pork tenderloin.
Pork, yeah, that's right.
That's
pork
right.
Tenderloin.
Yep. Yes.
It's just enough to warm me up.
That's right. Yes. Double thumbs up. 100%. 5 out of 5 stars. Great spot if you're in Webster City, Iowa. Check out Gridiron Sports Bar and Grill. Posted a couple pictures of what I ordered on the social medias, but got right into it. So good. Great service, great atmosphere, great pricing. Whole 9 yards. Check it out. This is where we're stopping for the night. What is it? Mount Air. 1,600 people, but dang good town and a nice ass hotel for a small town like that. Mount Air, Iowa. Check it out if you're in town. There's a little bar and grill we're gonna hit up. This is where we're staying for the night.
Ratings to come.
Huh?
Ratings to come.
That's right. Ratings to come. First impression of the hotel, very nice. Right, Chris?
Oh yeah.
Very nice.
And the gal at the desk can
Oh yeah.
crack jokes.
Crack jokes, down to earth. She's awesome. Yep. Bam. Well, because, I mean, I could, I guess, but I'd rather just keep this stuff on. Oh.
You get the key?
I got the key.
Okay.
I'm just getting some video. Yeah. Sweet. Very reasonable price, too.
Yeah. This
Oh,
is
yeah.
nice.
This is way nice.
You only paid how much?
$106.
Fucking robbed them.
Fucking robbed them. Very nice. All right.
Holy shit.
Gonna get the rest of my crap and then get ready, but there you go. Hit it up if you're in the area. Yo, Rumors Bar and Grill. It was well, Chris, what'd you think of Rumors Bar and Grill here in Mount Airy? Is that how you say it? Is that how we say
Mount Air?
Mount Air, Iowa?
Mount Air. Ah, yeah.
You ordered the ribeye sandwich and cheese curds.
Oh, fuck. You just took a piece of meat and slapped it between a sandwich bread.
But the piece of meat was, you gotta tell them.
It was fucking like,
It's like that thin.
it was thin as fuck.
So that was the
And that was
disappointing.
medium rare.
That was the disappointing
How are you
part.
medium rare in that?
Yeah, that was the disappointing part.
Yeah.
The bartender was kind of funny.
Every time she came by, she's like, motherfuckers.
You motherfuckers.
You motherfuckers.
You motherfuckers.
And it wasn't towards...
It wasn't towards us or anything, but she was just saying it in general. I ordered the double cheeseburger and french fries. I will give that 2 thumbs up. I thought it was very good.
Mine's probably half a thumbs down.
The cheeseburgers were thick.
2 thumbs down.
Thumbs down. Chris was not impressed with his, mainly because
Nope.
I think if the sandwich had more meat, like
Yes.
that would have made it better.
And other stuff.
And others, other stuff on it. It was, it was just a
It
slab
was
of
literally
meat
just
and
slab of
bread.
meat and bread.
Yeah, that was it. That's interesting.
Yep.
Sometimes I felt like we got neglected because we weren't from there.
Yep.
Like we
Yep.
sat at the bar and definitely seemed like things took a little bit longer. Like,
Ordered our drinks and they're like, okay. Maybe got it 10 minutes later.
Yeah,
Maybe.
maybe because they were talking to everybody at the bar and
Yep.
focusing on that. But other than that, good place. I thought the
yeah.
place was nice and it
Good
was
atmosphere.
good atmosphere, entertaining.
Could use more TVs that
Could-
actually have sports.
Yeah, I could use TVs that have sports on it. But yeah, anyways, I don't know what we're gonna do now. Maybe check something else.
Might as
out.
well check out the
Something.
little garage bar thing.
Yeah. But yeah.
Might as well.
See you later. Bye.
They
Lefty's Tavern. Dude, this is a cool little town. Cool old looking town. Got a brick road. Sweet. I like it.
pretty sweet town square.
Yeah.
Shit, yeah.
You see all that?
They got one of them old damn.
Oh, the
Telephone booths.
phone booths.
Fuck yeah.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I like this. This town's cool.
Oh yeah.
Where do you run to?
All right, Lefty's is the place to stop, right,
Fuck
Chris?
yeah, it is.
God, it's fucking
Fuck yeah, that's like a 8 thumbs up review.
5
5
star.
stars.
Hell yeah.
Hospitality.
Very good hospitality.
Fucking the nostalgia.
The nostalgia.
Inside.
That's right.
Yeah, it's awesome.
All right, perfect. We're going back to the hotel.
Hell yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Look at this. Look at this spread. Look at all the good. Yeah, I told you. Look at all them options. Impressive. Dude, seriously, I am impressed with this little breakfast here. Nice area. Bumfuck Egypt. All the gas pumps have bags on. Good thing we got gas. Because I have not seen a gas station we can stop in yet.
Hope this is it.
I hope so too. Made it. We're in Rockport, Missouri. What'd you think of the ride, Chris?
Oh, that was a fantastic ride.
It was. It was a beautiful ride. It was about 80, 90 miles, somewhere in there.
Yep.
So a little small town, 1,800 people, I think Google said. Looks like a lot of the main street is closed. So, but we're gonna walk around, look at it. Old buildings, check it all out. You know, whatever, just chill. But yeah, nice ride down here. Some backcountry roads. And yeah, we'll just get some video of the footage or the scenery or whatever.
Pretty sweet.
Yeah. That's cool. Something like that. I don't know. Well, that's cool. You know.
Please.
Oh my gosh, they're all over the place. A perfect 10 salon. Oh, there it is.
Mexican if you want.
Yeah, nice. Well, that's a perfect name. Stoner Drug. Got a lot of traffic.
Yeah.
Surprised how many buildings are just empty. Citizens Bank.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Holy shit. The whole inside of it's just collapsed. Crazy. Yeah.
Guessing that was a bathroom maybe?
You always just wonder what happened to make all these buildings go empty like this. They do have a Do It Best right there and a couple stores, but man, so much of it just old and empty. Nice old buildings too. There it is. Made possible. Restore Rockport. Masonic Lodge, Rainbow Girls, Rockport Telephone. That used to be an old motel or hotel, motel, hotel, whatever. We got a bank. There's a ton of traffic down this road though. Goes through here. Interesting stuff. Interesting stuff. Hey, we got a nutrition shop. We got a yoga studio. Thing is, anything that does have signage or stuff in the stores isn't even open.
Yeah.
except for the
all closed.
Except for the Do It Best store.
Yeah, they're the only ones open.
They're the only ones open.
I don't fucking get it. And to be open.
Yeah. Chris is very upset that nothing's open. Anyways,
Saturday, 9 to 12.
Set.
Oh, it was open.
No.
It was open.
It was open 9 to 12. Ooh, more shots of this hotel. Yep. The OPP Hotel. Man, cool buildings. What does that note say? Oh, just some happiness. Oh. Cedar Bluff Lodge.
Everything still kind of looks somewhat until you get to here, obviously.
Auto value, but not open. We got an old pay phone. Does it work?
Let's find out.
Let's find out. It freaking does work.
You got dial tone?
I got dial tone. Can you hear it? Can anybody hear it? There is dial tone. Hell yeah.
I didn't think anything like that would work anymore.
Hell yeah, that's awesome.
Not with a cell phone.
That's freaking awesome right there.
about the only thing in this town that does work.
All right, well, that was interesting. Tour in Rockport. Yeah, I don't know. It's always I've always just wondered sometimes, like when you go through these towns, or you walk them or whatever, like what happened or.
Most open places the whole bank just because the roof fell in.
Oh, no, that Do It Best, man. That thing's popping. Everybody keeps.
Yeah, that's true.
Everyone's stopping there and. Oh, there's another building with the roof down. Damn.
Man, you can't get any
Look at
heating
that
and cooling
one.
done.
Yeah, crazy.
Sheesh.
It's just, yeah. You just wonder, like, what the heck? And with all the traffic that goes through here and all that, so.
Yeah. Oh, the Mexican place.
It's a cool looking. I mean, it's
Mexican
a cool.
restaurants out
Yeah. Cool looking town, though.
Yeah.
Old
I like
buildings and everything.
it. I love old buildings.
And then the, yeah, I don't know.
That was an old grocery store.
What? That was an old grocery store?
Yeah, they still got the carts inside, and you can see the checkout lady.
Wow. Interesting.
That's pretty sweet.
That is sweet.
I don't know why you're not using it.
Obviously, they can't use it.
Well, I guess. There's something hard.
Something. Anyways, this is our tour of Rockport, Missouri. Looked it up on Google. It looked like a cool town, so I thought we'd stop. I didn't expect it to be like this. Didn't really read up on it or anything. So, but yeah, salon here. Not open though. Signage and everything looks good, but I don't know. There's a studio, photography studio. That looks nice. Photography studio looks nice.
Yep. That's
Anyways.
understandable that that's not open. It's
Yeah.
typically,
Yeah.
when it's-
Yeah. Anyways, interesting stuff. But
Martial arts.
I don't know what we're doing now. We're staying in our hotel that we stayed in last night, though. We liked it. Does that look open? But we're gonna go. We'll see you later at the next stop or wherever the heck we do or go. Hey, Chris. That answers why that grocery store is not open down there. Food country.
Well, I mean, duh.
Duh. Yeah, here's the intersection to the highway that goes by Rockport, and then this one leads you down to the main street. Got a Casey's, all that. I mean, definitely busy, but
Tells you where all the churches are.
tells you where all the churches are on that sign. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. town we were in. Chris, I don't know about you, but as soon as we got into Missouri, those have been some of the longest up and down roller coaster roads.
Oh, fuck, it tickles my tummy.
And it's like for miles.
Yeah.
For
it's
miles.
insane.
Just endless miles of up and down and corners, which is cool, but at the same time sketchy as shit because you don't know what's on the other side of that hill half the time. But
Yeah.
no, it's cool though. They've been some fun ass roads on those.
Oh, it's amazing riding. A little narrow,
but yeah, it's been amazing riding since we got into Missouri.
Yep.
A lot of fun. Great scenery.
Good windy roads.
Got to see some longhorn cattle. Is that what they were?
I don't know.
Kind of. I don't know. I'm not a cattle expert. If Caitlin was with me, she'd know. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to say that. But we're going to figure out what to do. Grant City, Missouri. Yeah. But it's not open. It's a trend.
Right?
This place is open here. We're gonna check this spot out.
Try those stairs that you're doing this.
Yeah. I'm gonna put the camera away just in case there's
What?
might not be.
Yeah, dude. Which door? Doesn't matter.
I don't know. Anyways, we're going in.
Bad taste in my mouth.
Yeah, they can still smoke in the bars down here.
Fucking weird.
It was a cool little place. Nice bartenders.
Oh yeah.
I don't even know what the name of that bar was. I don't even think it has a name.
Bud Light.
Bud Light, man.
We'll call it that.
That's all it had for a sign. Another town though that's just kind of nothing going on. They even said that too.
I think this used to be a school. Maybe that used to be a town hall. I don't know. I can see it being a school.
There's a law office. I don't know if it's open or not, or in business or whatever. Interesting stuff. Oh, another
Wall.
yeah, Vietnam War
Vietnam,
stuff.
World War II, Gulf War.
World War II, Gulf War.
Dude, they got this city there.
They got this what?
People that used to live out east.
Wow.
Yeah. Because I was gonna say that didn't make sense how the other side just had names.
Right.
World War II, shit ton of names. I guess, yeah. Not long after. Freaking this town
Yeah, this town.
was play.
I'm sure it was.
In like probably 1889 or whatever.
Right. I think it's very cool how it's like designed into a square and everything, but that building's about to fall down. They got her blocked off. What does that say?
No longer open.
No.
Or
Dogman's Barbecue Lounge Doghouse. Something like that. Yep.
courts, cuts and curls.
Yeah. Back in the hotel. About 200 miles today is a good day. It's cool to see them small, old towns like that, but it sucks to see them run down the way they are. But it's pretty cool, the town square setup. Seen a couple like that, which is pretty cool setup. But yeah, we even rode through some towns too that were just looked very beat up. Like I said, it's fun to see them, old, historic, small little towns, but it's too bad that they're not like thriving. But yeah, anyways, we'll talk to you later. Whatever, gonna just probably hang out here, I don't know, but get on the road tomorrow and get back home. So yep, see you later. Stanhope, Iowa.
It'd be nice if that place down.
What'd you get?
I got Hot Wheels cars.
Oh yeah? Which one's your favorite? Which one's your favorite?
That one.
That one? How you doing?
Good.
High five? Fist bump? Good to see ya.
Yeah.
I'll be in.